if you're looking for a really great gift for the holiday season, or if you just happen to be someone who gets really tense in your shoulders, the back of your neck, your upper back, this is a really great option. So this RENPHO shoulder and upper back massager is actually the brand new version for 2025. So there's some really cool upgrades on this. It has this really nice faux leather over the entire massager. You, like for any neck and back massager, the way you use it is you just like position it where you want it, so in the back of your neck, or you could lower it down here, and you keep it in place by slipping your hands through the armholes here, and then you can hold it exactly wherever you want it to massage. Now it is a plug-in, right? So you're gonna have to plug it into the wall, or it also comes with this one, so you could plug it into your car if you wanted to use it there. Now again, I would definitely recommend that this is for a passenger of a car because you have to hold on to it like this with your arms. I don't think it would be a great idea to drive and use this at the same time. And then of course it comes with this cover too that's washable that you can slip over if you want to keep it extra clean or give it a little layer between you and the kneading and the warmth. So let's talk about some of the features of this. Now here, this top button is your on and off. So a single press turns it on. And then here you've got a reverse button so you can change the direction of the massage. There's 3 levels of massage here. So you have a slow, a medium, and a fast. And there's 8 nodes in here that does the massaging. So it really has a lot of need to it for your comfort. And then there's an on and off for heat. Now you can see here that my heat is actually on because of this red, and then I could just pop it off if I don't want the heat option with this as well. So overall, I'd say the pros of this is that it has so many different options that you could customize it for how you want to feel. It's really comfortable. It feels really nice. The only con is that I wish that these controllers were actually closer to the bottom here so I could easily just press instead of having to reach up and over like this. But honestly, that's so minor, right? It hardly even matters. It's such a really great unit. So if you're looking for something that is a great gift, if you are wanting a little bit of pampering in your life, I definitely would recommend this one as a great neck and shoulder massager.